The vertical veneer slicer produced by our company is equipped with a blade tongue and blade heating device, significantly enhancing the slicing quality. The unique blade protecting mechanism prevents damage to the logs, and the blade guard flipping design facilitates tool change. The hydraulic clamping mechanism requires no manual assistance, achieving a maximum slicing speed of 90 pieces per minute. The imported Italian clutch ensures safe emergency braking. The ball screw, coupled with the servo motor, achieves high precision feeding. The entire machine adopts centralized oil supply and electrical joint control, allowing for one-person operation. It boasts high automation, stable operation, high speed, and high efficiency, with a production capacity up to 3 times that of ordinary slicers. It is suitable for both soft and hard woods, produces uniform slicing thickness, and is the preferred equipment for slicing processing.